Hi friends, welcome to my channel Technical Smart. In this video we are talking about all features of newly launching Realme C series. Their Realme C12 and C15 are going to become under 10,000 rupees. If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. First, talking about Realme C15. Supports 6.5-inch HD Plus resolution with mini drop-style LCD display. If it is full HD Plus display, then it is better smartphone. This smartphone is powered by Mediatek Helio G35 chipset with octa-core processor. It is a better processor in 10,000 rupees. With software front, it runs with Android 10 operating system, and the connectivity option in this phone is 4G Volt. It packs with 3GB and 4GB RAM, and 64GB and 128GB internal storage, and also further expandable, and it is available on Seagull Silver and Marine Black color. It comes with quad rear camera, 13-megapixel primary camera, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2-megapixel monochrome sensor camera, and also 2-megapixel depth sensor camera with LED flash. Along with that, it comes with 8-megapixel front camera. Here you can see a fingerprint scanner at back. The main feature in this both smartphone is its battery, comes with 6000 mAh battery, and in C15 comes with 18 watts fast charger. And talking about its price, its one variant is expected to be available at 10,000 rupees with 4GB RAM and 64GB, and another variant at 11,000 rupees. And talking about Realme C12, it maybe also comes with same display, and also with 6000 mAh battery, but you cannot see here quad rear camera. It comes with 13-megapixel triple rear camera with LED flash. Talking about performance, you can see here Mediatek Helio P35 chipset. If the smartphone is also comes with G series chipset, then it comes better. With software front, it runs with Android 10 operating system. Here you can see 3GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Talking about its price, comes with 8,000 starting. The main highlighters is its 6000 mAh battery with 10 watts charger. It's a better feature under 10,000. This both smartphones are going to be launched on 18th August at 12:30 p.m. Link is given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe channel and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.